look what I got here. BBQTRIPS grill mats. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. You're going to get 10 of these grill mats. They're non-stick, and you're not going to believe what they can do. So I'm going to pull out one of these right now, and this is what they look like. Nothing special, right? 13 inches by 15.75 inches. Non-stick, goes right on your grill. And what's really cool is you can actually cut this to exactly what you need. But now you can now grill without everything going through the grates on your grill, and it keeps everything clean, cooked uniformly. Really good idea. You can use this on a gas grill, charcoal. You can even use this in a house. Imagine this in your regular oven on the bottom, catching all that cheese from the pizzas that you make in there. What's also really nice, these are an Amazon choice. It gets 4.6 stars. So I know people are buying them. They're liking them. So if you're looking for a grill mat, take a look at these because I think you're going to be pretty happy. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.